Hello, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make a reservation for a ride with a Goopti transfer. In this example we will go from the airport of Ljubljana to the hotel in Ljubljana for one person. We'll pick out the dates in the future, of course, and we will pick up the time. Click on the search button and confirm your destination. Click on continue and you can add the flight number. This is very useful for the driver. If your flight is delayed, he can wait for you. Here you see that your pickup time is 1 hour after landing because it's a small airport at Slovenia in Ljubljana. It's interesting to change the pickup time because GoOpti has plans for you. So that's easy to change. And here we will select 4:30 p.m. We'll search again. And here we see there's a difference in the price. There's a price difference of €3 if you take another time. I will select the cheapest one. Confirm the selection of the pickup. Click on continue. You can select the absolute no worries package if your flight should be delayed, but it's €6 for that package and our trip is only €12, so it's 50%. We will take the risk. Click to continue. And then can you log in if you are an existing user, immediately a new account. So that's it. I wish you a lot of pleasant drivings with GoOpti.